The Legend of the Golden Snail. Once upon a time, in the king of Daha, there lived a wise king named King Kertamarta. Had two beautiful daughters. His eldest was Dewi Galuh, and the younger one was Chandrakirana. Unlike her sister, Chandrakirana was already engaged to none other than the crown Raden of Kahuripan, Raden Inu Kertapati. One day, the Raden came to visit the kingdom.
Good morning, Raja Kertamarta.
Ah, Raden Inu, my future son-in-law. Ha ha ha. Come in, come in. Ah, there she is, your bride-to-be, Chandra Kirana. She's with Dewi Galuh.
Good morning, Chandra Kirana. Good morning, Dewi Galuh.
Good morning, Raden Inu.
I'm going to my room. Why is it always Chandra Kirana who gets everything? This isn't fair. I'll get rid of you, Chandra Kirana.
Blinded by jealous, Dewi Galuh couldn't hold it in any longer. She secretly went to see a witch, hoping to find a way to get rid of her sister.
Well, what brings Radens to my place this late at night?
I have a request. Help me to get rid of Chandra Kirana. I'll give you as much gold as you want.
The witch agreed to Dewi Galuh, over she was willing to cooperate for the right price, of course.
Hey, Chandra Kirana.
Hey sis, look, these are the flowers we planted before. Who is that old lady? I curse you to become a golden snail. Evil.
Suddenly, Chandrakirana surrounded by some smokes. When the smokes disappeared, she was no longer human. She had turned into a golden snail.
Ha 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 ha. This curse can only be broken if you meet your fiancé. But until that happens, I'll make sure you disappear. I'll just tell father that you vanished.
Why are you so cruel to me, sister? What did I ever do to hurt you?
Chandrakirana, that got changed to be golden snail, swept away by the river, getting away far from the kingdom.
Where do the wave takes me? What is this?
Wow, such a great golden snail. I've never seen a golden snail like this before.
It turns out that the net is belongs to the old lady brought the golden snail home. She take care of the golden snail in some kind of pot. Without the old lady knowing, in the morning the golden snail turns back into human again until the afternoon.
I didn't realize it's noon already. I haven't prepared my meal for this evening.
When the old lady arrived at home, how surprised is she cause there's so many delicious food on the table be prepared well.
Huh? What is this? Who cooked all of this for me?
The next morning, the old lady returned to the lake to fish again. When she came home, a variety of dishes had been served on the dining table. Curious, the old lady decided to return earlier than usual. The next day, she sneaked into the kitchen and heard someone cooking. The old lady was surprised to see a beautiful girl cooking in her kitchen.
Who are you, oh beautiful lady?
Chandrakirana then told old lady everything. She also said that her curse will completely disappear if she met her fiancé Raden Inu.
I don't know when this curse will end.
Be patient, dear Kirana. One day your prayers surely be answered.
Meanwhile, in the Daha Kingdom, Raden Inu intends to find his fiancé. He pretends to be a commoner.
Don't worry, I will look for Chandrakirana throughout the corners of the kingdom until I find her.
Hearing that, Raden Inu intends to search for Chandrakirana. Dewi Galuh informs the witch about it. The witch transforms into a black crow and flies to find Raden Inu, who is on his journey to find his fiancé. Suddenly, he is startled by the arrival of a talking crow.
To the left, follow me.
Huh? That crow, it can talk? Maybe it's a sign it might lead me to Chandrakirana.
Raden Inu chased after the crow, not knowing that the bird was actually the witch in disguise, leading him astray. On his journey, he suddenly stopped when he saw an old man resting against a tree. The old man looked weak and pale.
Sir, are you alright? You look very pale.
I haven't eaten in days, young man.
Here, sir, please take some of my food. I brought plenty of supplies.
Thank you, young man.
While the old man ate, Raden Inu told him everything about his search for Chandrakirana and the talking crow he was following. Suddenly, the old man swung his staff toward the crow. The bird fell to the ground, and in an instant, the fallen crow transformed back into the wicked witch. It turns out that the grandfather is a powerful man. He informs that the crow is the embodiment of an evil witch. He also instructs Raden Inu to find Chandrakirana in the village of Dadapan. He stops at a cottage to ask for drinking water. When he is about to ask for water, how surprised Raden Inu is to find himself at the house of the old lady who cares for the golden snail. Chandrakirana and the old lady look shocked and simultaneously happy to see Raden Inu. The meeting between Raden Inu and Chandrakirana dissolves all of Chandrakirana curses. They return to the kingdom of Daha, where Chandrakirana tells her father everything. Fearing punishment, they quickly escape from the kingdom of Daha and never returns again. In the end, Chandrakirana and Raden Inu live happily together, and the old lady who had cared for her is brought to the palace.